Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing power to prevent damage. Next, identify whether the lines are horizontal, vertical, intermittent, or constant, so you know if it's cable, panel, or driver related. Once done, clear a clean workspace and collect a microfiber cloth, 90% plus isopropyl, a soft spudger, and compressed air. You need this gear now because the next steps require gentle pressure and precise cleaning. Make sure to keep screws organized and document connector positions. You now open the display assembly, removing the bezel and back panel with steady pressure to avoid cracking. Once exposed, locate the LVDS or EDP ribbon cable and gently unlock its latch. Then lift and reseat the cable to eliminate contact faults. If contacts look tarnished, swab them with isopropyl and allow to dry. Next, inspect the T-con board and its flex cables. If lines change when you tap or flex, that points to a loose connector or a failing T-con that may need replacement. You reassemble the screen carefully, reconnecting everything the way you documented, then power on and test different brightness levels and input sources to see if the issue changes. If the lines persist, replace the video cable or try an external monitor to determine whether the panel itself is bad. If reseating and cleaning don't fix it, you should replace the T-con board or the panel. The T-con is the common culprit. If unsure, take photos and seek a technician, but this step usually resolves persistent line issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.